Sharon, cheers.
Oh,
Now, we have
thank
just
you.
completed our chef skills course.
We have.
Now, tell me why you joined and why you started the chef skills course in the first place.
Well, you can't go past this organisation.
Yes.
So I knew it was always going to be great.
Yes.
And I have just learnt so much.
Yes.
My husband is very impressed.
Have you been chefing up all your food?
I've been chefing.
Now, in your opinion, what was your favourite recipe or favourite skill to take away from your chefy course?
Well, I loved the eye fillet steak.
Yes.
Cooking in the butter and the garlic.
Yes.
And then putting it with the purees and working out that you could not only use carrots but beetroots and other things
Anything
to bring
you want.
colour and vibrance and taste. I felt very chefy.
Excellent.
Very
And how would you say your happiness levels are in your kitchen?
Oh, I'm way less stressed. I'm
Yes.
excited. And I love getting into the kitchen and just trying what we've done. And I can't wait to repeat it because I feel confident now. It's been
I'll
really
drink to
great.
that. Cheers.
Cheers.
And tell me, what were you petrified of before you started the course and now you have mastered it? Is there anything in particular you were like, I can't do that, I'm not chefy enough, and then I showed you how and it was nice and quick and easy? Anything that jumps to mind?
Well, I loved the difference between the roux and the beurre.
Yeah, beurre
Beurre
yes, yeah, kneaded butter.
And how wonderful that is to make the difference in a gravy or as a thickening agent. So
Yes.
that was fabulous. That's a great secret chefy thing to have on board.
Absolutely.
I guess I was a little bit worried about coming to a class like this because chef skills, did I have enough to learn and take away? Absolutely. I feel so much more confident now.
Excellent.
And I've just loved every bit of it. Thanks. Thanks,
Thank you,
Chef
Sharon.
Mel.
It was wonderful cooking with you.
Thank
Cheers.
you.
So, Chef Sharon, what would you say to someone who was just wanting to get those extra skills in the kitchen and they weren't quite ready to commit to doing a chefy course?
Well, I think reading about it
Yeah.
on the website is very informative.
Yeah.
And I think you just have to have the courage to just come. Everybody's at a different level.
Yeah.
Some people have more skills than others, but the class just teaches you everything you need to know in such a great way. I would definitely recommend coming here for all of those wonderful skills.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Sharon.
Chef
Thank you so
Mel.
much.
Thank
Excellent.
you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So, Sharon, I know you've done the course with me here, but we are making this course available online, and you were actually here when we recorded them. How do you feel about having me in the kitchen with you, helping you every step of the way?
Oh, that's going to be amazing, just amazing. You learn so much in the classroom, but being able to reference it also online is an amazing tool to have. And congratulations for taking that
Excellent.
option, because that's a great way for us to all have you in our kitchens all the time.
It is a pleasure. I'll be with you every step of the way.
I can't wait.
Cheers.
Thank you.